If I had to start over on YouTube in 2025, here's exactly what I'd do. No fluff, no outdated advice, just a step-by-step game plan that actually works. Whether you're starting with 0 subscribers or struggling to grow, stick around because I'm breaking it all down for you. YouTube is more competitive than ever, but it's also full of insane opportunities, if you know what you're doing. The old just be consistent advice won't cut it anymore. In 2025 you need strategy, speed, and a smart content plan. And that's exactly what I'm about to give you. Let's dive into my 5-step blueprint for YouTube success, starting with the most important piece. Step 1. Pick the right niche. First things first, your niche can make or break your channel. In 2025, competition is high, but the demand for great content is even higher. Pick a niche with high demand and low saturation. Consider topics like AI tools and automation, side hustles and making money online, crazy real-life stories, tech reviews and gadgets, health and longevity, and space and future science. Your goal? Find a niche where people are already searching for content, but where there's still room to stand out. Use YouTube search, check the views on new channels, and see what's trending. Step 2. Focus on shorts first. If I was starting from scratch, I wouldn't waste time making long videos at first. Why? Because shorts give you the fastest exposure possible. Post 3 to 5 shorts per week. Use trending topics and viral formulas, and make sure the first 3 seconds grab attention. For example, if you're in the finance niche, instead of making a 10-minute video on how to save money, make a short like rich people never do this with their money. Boom! Instant curiosity, instant views. Once you hit 1,000 plus subs and have some momentum, then you can start adding longer videos. Step 3. Copy viral title and thumbnail strategies. YouTube is a game of first impressions. If your title and thumbnail don't grab attention, no one clicks. Look at viral videos in your niche and analyze their titles. Use curiosity-based headlines like "I tried this AI side hustle. It changed everything." Test thumbnails with bold text and emotion. A bad title, "How to Grow on YouTube" versus a good title, "I tried this YouTube hack, here's what happened." See the difference? You need mystery and urgency to make people click. Step 4. Use AI to speed up content creation. In 2025, smart creators aren't working harder, they're working smarter. AI tools can save you hours and make your content better. Use ChatGPT for script ideas and hooks. Try AI voiceovers if you're faceless. Use AI thumbnail generators to create eye-catching designs. If you're on a budget, you can literally create a full YouTube channel using just your phone and free AI tools. Step 5. Turn viewers into subscribers fast. Getting views is great, but turning viewers into subscribers is what really matters. Ask for engagement in your videos. For example, you could say, "Comment YouTube" if you're starting in 2025. Create binge-worthy content by connecting your shorts to long videos. And don't forget to use pinned comments and community posts to build a loyal audience. A small engaged audience is 10 times better than a big passive one. If I were starting from scratch in 2025, I'd follow these 5 steps. Find the right niche, focus on shorts, use viral titles, leverage AI and turn viewers into subscribers. Simple, right? But it works. Now, if you want a full breakdown of how to make your first $1,000 on YouTube, check out this video next. See you there.